A very good morning, students. A very and hearty good morning to students, to my students. This is the first class with you. Yes,
Good morning.
good morning. And this is
Good
the
morning,
first class with you all.
ma'am.
So, the first class of physics without wasting, I will be starting with heat. So, chapter. But beforehand, can anyone define, before starting anything, can anyone tell me what does the word heat means? What is heat?
Mama,
The meaning of heat is fire.
It is what? Yeah, heat. How will you define me the word heat?
Mummy, ma'am, he,
Yes.
ma'am, heat is a form of energy.
Hmm.
It help us to warm. It help
Hmm.
us to cook food, and
Hmm.
it.
Yes, please. It. You are giving me the right answer. So why are you panicking? Huh? गलत तो नहीं दे रहे हो, सही आंसर दे रहे हो तो why are you panicking? So, what is heat? Yes, nothing to panic. When you are giving the correct answer, then why to panic? Hmm? If you are giving me the wrong answer, then you should have panicked. When you are giving me the right answer, then why are you panicking? So, heat is what? A form of
Energy.
energy. And am I wrong if I say heat form is an essential form of energy for the survival of life on earth? Yes or no? Am I
Yes,
wrong?
ma'am.
Correct.
No, ma'am.
It's wrong.
No, ma'am.
सही है कि गलत है पहले बताओ.
Ma'am, it's correct.
Correct. Okay.
Ma'am, it is correct.
We use heat energy for various activities like cooking, ironing, transportation, recreation. Let's analyze the statement. Cooking, heat, fire. Warmth of the heat, warmth of the fire is used for cooking. Yes? Yes or no?
Ma'am.
For
Yes,
ironing,
ma'am.
electrical energy is converted into heat energy and we are ironing something. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
In case of transportation, petroleum, that is chemical energy, is converted into heat energy to run the engines. Yes or no? Combustion engines.
Yes, ma'am.
Recreation. In recreation, bonfires and everything, light and everything, heat energy is used.
Yes, ma'am.
So what here? In each and every case, can you tell me one thing? In each and every case, what's happening?
Ma'am, heat is happening. Ma'am, heat.
Heat is na. Can you? What does the word energy means then?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, it's like power.
No, we can say I don't want the connecting. Okay. If I say energy is something which we can feel, which we can utilize, but can't see. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, in case of heat energy also, we can we feel the warmth, see the warmth? Can we see the warmth? That's
Yes,
because
ma'am.
of warmth we are using. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we see the warmth? No. We can feel that. We can touch the warmth also because our hands get warm. Yes or no?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Heat energy is directly or indirectly present in each and everything, but in some places we can feel it, in some cases where we cannot feel. Yes? True?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
When it's true, then can you classify heat for me? In how many types heat is there? Can you classify heat into how many types of heat is present? Heat can be classified into how? Okay, I am giving you. See, one type is hot. Yes. The other type is cold. Confused or clear? Confused?
Ma'am, clear. No, ma'am.
Not clear now. You will be saying, ma'am, hot is correct. चलो, heat hot होती है तो classified है. Hot objects are heat, part of heat. Cold objects कैसे हुए? Right? यही क्वेश्चन होगा ना सबके दिमाग में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
अभी हमने एक चीज क्या कही थी? Each and everything is having heat energy somewhere where we can feel it, but some places where we cannot feel it, but it is present. कहा था या नहीं स्टेटमेंट अभी? यही स्टेटमेंट कहा था या नहीं हमने?
Yes,
कि
ma'am.
कहीं इसका मतलब क्या है?
Ma'am.
If the content of amount of heat is more, the places at where the amount of heat is more, the places where amount of heat is more, they are hot objects. The objects or places where content of heat is less, that are cold objects. But heat is present each and every. नहीं तो क्या आइस से ग्लोबल वहां सर्व हीट ना होती तो क्या पोलर्स पे एनिमल सरवाइव कर पाते?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
बात समझ में आई? Am I clear? Heat is present
Yes.
each and everywhere in each and every particle, but somewhere the content is more, so we tell them hot objects, and somewhere the contents are less, so we tell them cold objects. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it clear? Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, so what's happening? Switch off the speakers. Switch off the speakers. Should I speak now? Objects with high heat content are called hot objects. Some examples, let's say sun, fire, hot pans, air from a hair dryer, lava from volcanic eruptions, etc. And objects with lower content of heat, objects with lower content of heat are called cold objects, and like ice, air from an air conditioner, cold drinks, metal vessels kept in open on cold winter days, etc. Okay, so each and everything, be it a hot or a cold object, is having heat. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see the next thing. What are the different, just now we have discussed, what are the different sources of heat?
Ma'am,
First-
cooking.
Sun, that is the uses of heat. Source. The most important source, sun. Yes or no?
Yes,
Can we
ma'am.
ignore this source? क्या हम इस सोर्स को किसी भी तरीके से इग्नोर कर सकते हैं? Yes or no? Come on, class, answer. Can you hear me or you cannot hear me?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
Anyone please
Yes.
reply. Yes or no में रिप्लाई जरूर करिएगा. जिसका स्पीकर वाइब्रेट नहीं कर रहा है वो प्लीज yes और no में मिनिमम रिप्लाई करें ताकि मुझे भी पता चले कि आपको सुनाई पड़ रहा है या नहीं. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
So I will getting a link that you can hear on me or not. Okay, so let's go move to back. Then sun, chemical energies, that is converting the chemicals and into heat energy, right? Electricity, electrical energy, and finally nuclear energy. And we can see nuclear energy is and we can see the adverse effect of nuclear energy is also when converted into heat. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Like atom bombs
Yes,
and
ma'am.
everything, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
let's move. If we have understood heat, then what is temperature? What is temperature?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes.
May I? Temperature is.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I?
low content of heat or high content of heat?
Okay. Any other thing?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, yes. When I have asked the
Ma'am,
question, you have to answer only.
ma'am, temperature is heat
Ma'am.
and I'm cold, ma'am. Ma'am, whether the
What is
surface is, ma'am,
temperature? The question is, what is temperature?
Excuse me, ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, you can.
Temperature is the degree of the hotness and coldness.
Hotness and coldness. Okay. So is the correct answer? Temperature is the degree or measure. We can say degree also. We can use the word measure also. Okay. Temperature
and ma'am,
is the degree or measure of hotness or coldness of the body. Hotness, कभी बॉडी हॉट है तो कितनी हॉट है, कोल्ड है तो कितनी कोल्ड है. ओके. टेम्परेचर इज द मेजर ऑफ हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस ऑफ द बॉडी. Am I clear?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's move to the next part. Let's see what is the difference between heat and temperature. What is the difference between the two terms? See, heat is what? Heat is the amount of energy present in a substance. What is that? It is the, please repeat. It is the amount of
Energy present in.
Present in a substance.
But what is temperature? It is the degree or measure. Degree or measure of hotness or coldness, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's see what are its units. Its units are calorie. Cal is the symbol for calorie, and the other symbol is joule, and that J is the symbol. And you know the SI unit, that is the standard unit for heat, is joule. That is capital J. What is the SI unit? Joule.
Joule.
Joule. Okay. Whereas temperature is based on 3 scales, where 2 scales are mostly used, the Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scale. The Celsius scale is represented by degree Celsius, and if it are represented on Fahrenheit scale, then it is the unit stands to be degree Fahrenheit. And the third type of scale is Kelvin scale, which is also the SI unit. That is the standard unit for temperature, Kelvin, and its symbol is K. Is this much clear?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
any
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
yes? Any repetition required?
No,
Must
ma'am.
repeat?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No,
Okay,
ma'am.
let's move to the next thing. Now, heat depends on what? This is the major thing. Heat depends on, first thing, mass. Mass of the body. Mass of the body. Then, depends on temperature. And also heat depends, means the body will be hot or cold, depends on the temperature. Mass means what is the mass of the body, that how much heat is required. Okay. And of nature of the substance, that means which is the matter of state of matter, solid, liquid or gas. It also depends on this also. So is these 3 points clear? Heat depends on mass,
Yes.
temperature and nature of the substance. Is it clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Whereas temperature depends only on the amount of heat present. Temperature depends only on the amount of heat present in the body or object. Is the difference between heat and temperature clear or any confusion?
Ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
clear.
it is clear.
Should I move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes? Next thing, thermometer. What is a thermometer? Without basics, it's an instrument. Everyone knows it's an instrument for measuring temperature. Yes? बचपन से देख रहे हो thermometer को? Yes or no?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
our question is how the temperature is measured with a thermometer. So before measuring it, let's understand it's how it looks. See, this is a general thermometer. It is made up of thin, long and uniform glass tube. Can you see this is a glass tube? Yes? And this glass tube
Yes.
is called as a capillary tube. What is this called as? It is called as a capillary tube. Okay. Now, next thing. You can see it is having a bulb at one end. Yes or no? Yes? And this bulb is filled with a silver liquid, colored liquid. And this silver colored liquid is called mercury. And this mercury is only used for measuring the temperature. But how? When the bulb, it is filled in the bulb, then how it is reaching here? And that is the principle of heat expansion. Here, temperature is working on the principle that as heat energy, whenever we will heat something, the object gets expanded. What happens to the matters? Or be it a solid, whenever we heat an object, be it solid, liquid or gas, it always expands. Whenever and as the heat is removed, depending on the nature of the substance, the object again moves back to its position back. Some objects do not move back. Some object means compresses. Some objects do not compresses and some objects compress back depending on the nature of the substance. Like a rubber band. You have seen a rubber band now? When you stretch it and when you leave it. In the same manner, heat also works. Right? Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So, mercury being a solid but is a silvery liquid, is in the liquid form. So what happens? Let's go. As we heat, when it comes in contact with the body being a human, it can be a human body or anything. I'm taking body as an object. What happens? This mercury starts rising up to the temperature. Okay, and stays there, and we get the reading. We see the at which position it has reached and we get the reading. Understood how the temperature is measured? See, two scales are on the thermometer. One can be Celsius and another is Fahrenheit. Any scale can be present. When the bulb of the thermometer is placed in contact with the body, the shining thread of the mercury expands and moves up in the narrow capillary tube. Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
And what finally how we read it? We get the temperature by reading the graduation corresponding to the mercury level. That means what? Where the mercury reaches, we read the corresponding reading and tell that this is the temperature. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion based on the working of thermometer?
No, ma'am.
Okay. When it is clear, let's take the last point for today. Thermometers are basically of two types: clinical thermometers and laboratory thermometers. What is clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer? So let's see first the clinical thermometer. Okay, before that discussing, let's discuss why only mercury is used. Can anyone tell me why only mercury is used? Any idea? Why only mercury is used?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes?
Ma'am, because mercury is so hot.
Now, let's see. See, first thing, expands easily and uniformly on heating. Means when we heat mercury, it expands easily and uniformly. Evenly everywhere mercury gets heated and it expands also easily like a water. It is in liquid state. Second thing, it can be used over a wide range, means be it a negative value or be it a positive. It can take any value. Understood? Understood?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Because of its color, it is visible easily and shining. Understood? Because of its visibility, opaqueness, and it's a solid state. Yes or no? It's a solid it is a metal which is in liquid state. It is the only metal which is in liquid state. So it is having all the properties of metal, right? It's having all the properties of metal. So it's visible and shining also. Understood the third point?
Yes, ma'am.
And finally, it does not get sticky. It is slippery also. So it does not get stick to the glass tube. तो ऊपर जाने के बाद जब ठंडा होता है वो चिपक कहीं नहीं आता, वो नीचे अपने बल्ब के पोजीशन में वापस आ जाता है. बात समझ में आई?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, let's see the next thing. Which I was saying, clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer का first thing, the scale. Its scale starts from 35 degrees Celsius and ends to 42 or 43. It can be in some cases it is 42 and some thermometers are of 43. But by maximum is 43. It will not be 44. Understood? कहीं कहीं किसी क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर का हाईएस्ट रेंज 42 होता है और किसी का 43 होता है, लेकिन 44 कभी भी नहीं होगा और 35 इज द डेफिनेट, 34 कभी नहीं होगा. मेरी बात समझ में आई?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next thing, it is used to measure body temperature. बॉडी मतलब ह्यूमन बॉडी, एनिमल बॉडी. तो किसी का बॉडी टेम्परेचर देखना हो तो हम कौन सा थर्मोमीटर यूज करते हैं? क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर्स.
Clinical thermometer.
ओके, नाउ इट हैज अ किन. ये किन की क्यों जरूरत है? अब पहले इस कॉन्सेप्ट को समझो, नहीं तो फिर रटोगे लेकिन समझ नहीं पाओगे. सी, when you insert the thermometer in someone's body, okay, what happens? The mercury starts reading, but on expand it receives the heat and mercury starts to raise. Okay, but what happens? The nature of the mercury is what? Compression. That it moves back to its bulb as the heat is moved. अगर हमें किसी बॉडी का, ह्यूमन बॉडी का या एनिमल बॉडी का टेम्परेचर हम उसके अंदर तो घुस गए, उसके ऊपर पास में जाके तो नहीं देखते, अपने पास थर्मोमीटर लाके देखते हैं ना. यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ये किन क्या करता है? देयर इज अ किन. देखो एक रोक टाइप का फुल स्टॉप लगाया हुआ, देखा है? ब्रेक नहीं किया, एक रोक दिया है ना? दिस इज कॉल्ड किन. व्हाट हैपेंस? It allows the mercury to stay here so that we can take the reading. And hence for some time and hence we get the exact reading. Understood what is the work of kin in a clinical thermometer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood.
Understood. Second type is the laboratory thermometer. What is the second type? Is the laboratory thermometer, and its range is minus 110 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. See, a wide range or not? So if it is a wide range, it will be very long thermometer. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
This type of temperature is mostly used for boiling water. Temperature of the boiling water. Okay. Or in the laboratories in different chemicals. Okay, testing of different chemicals. Now, see, so do we require a kin here? in this type of thermometer, do we require a kin?
No, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am.
because long, we can easily go back. We can see the readings properly, and we are while the body is the thermometer is contact with the body. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, any confusion till here? With this, I end my topic for today. Discussion for today. Any confusion in any of the position which you didn't understood?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No
Everything is crystal clear.
Crystal clear. And I hope this session was
Ma'am.
good enough for you all. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay.
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
will be giving you the PDF for the question answers and copy each and everything and learn it also. And one more exam homework, because we are having only one class in this whole week. So one more exam. Read the portion which we have covered. Okay. Read the portion which we have. Okay. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,